Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the 2-in-1 cordless hair straightener. It is from SUNMAY Voga. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box so we can see what it looks like and see how it works. Okay, so inside the box we got this cord. So I also have this little bag right here that you could keep it in whenever you travel with it. What I forgot to mention is that it is more for traveling. It's not for like use in the home to do a whole head. According to what I learned so far from it, it's like for a little touch up. You know, you're taking on a plane with you to a hotel, you'll have it to do a little touch up. But I also have a comb that came with the straightener. I have these little things that I think they are finger guards or something. I also have this clip that came with it that you could use to hold your hair whenever you're doing it. And then here is the gadget. So you have this little button right here that you could use to keep it closed so it doesn't open whenever you are not using it. And then you push it up and then voila, it's open. This is the on and off button right here. So I'm gonna press it, see what happens. So it's coming on. Guys, it's coming on and I'm just gonna wait for it to warm up. It's getting warm. It is getting warm, guys. I'm gonna test it out, see what it do. Let's get a piece of the hair out, and I'm gonna use the comb that came in the packet, and the comb, the little clip, and the finger guard, even the charging wire can fit in the bag with the flat iron. So you just put everything in here when you travel. I cannot wait to go somewhere with it where I see how I actually really like it. Okay, so it's ready. It's at 165 degrees Celsius. I want to keep the curls going the way they were, so I'm going to just do it from this side. Well, okay, you gave me some curls. All right, I'm gonna actually go from curly to straight now. Why not? So let's do straight now and see how that looks. I'm gonna put my curls back. We could do straight or we could do curls with this thing here, which is nice. So yeah, it doesn't feel hot on the outside, so that's the only reason why it would probably not give me the curls like I would want it to. But that's really not a bad thing for a traveling flat iron slash straightener. There we go, got my curls back again. Yeah, I really think it's good. I like it. I mean, cordless, why not? You could use this right there on the plane, right before coming off the plane, to just fix certain parts of your hair. So yeah, I think it is really a good tool. I think it's worth it. It is easy to carry. Think about traveling on the plane. Right before you're coming off the plane, you want to fix your hair a little bit. You got this thing right here to use. Cordless. You don't have to worry about where to plug this thing in so you could use it. So I feel like it is a really good tool. It is definitely something that I am gonna find very useful. Actually, so on the box it says 3 levels of adjustable temperature. I am not really sure how to adjust the temperature. Maybe it's the on and off button that adjusts the temperature. Oh yeah, I just clicked the on and off button and it changed it. So I had it at the lowest temperature when I was using it just now. It was at 165 degrees Celsius, and then we could get it up to 185 degrees Celsius, and we could also get it up to 205 degrees Celsius. So it does have different temperature gauging. I was actually using it on the lowest one. And you know what, I'm gonna try it again now that it's on the highest level and see how it works, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna give me some even more beautiful curls. Let's see. Ooh. And you know what I like about it too? It goes from cool to hot real quick, because it was ready at 205 in no time. Yeah. And bouncy too. Let me put this back behind me. Look at that. And bouncy. I like it. So yeah, there you have it. If you like it, definitely go on their website and check it out. I will link all the information in the description box as usual. Again, it's from SUNMAY Voga, cordless hair straightener and curler, 2-in-1. Yeah, that's all I have for y'all today. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below and I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.